My name is Kevin Marcilliat. I represent people who have been charged with serious crimes. When I first arrived at law school, I was destined for a career in tax law or business transactions consistent with my background up to that point. However, when I was sitting in class one day, I had this transformative experience as across the hall from me, the Innocence Inquiry Commission met and declared a man innocent for the first time in the history of the American legal system, not just not guilty, but innocent. And he walked out that day free of a murder that he did not commit. And from that moment forward, I knew I wanted to practice criminal law and help people who were facing similar problems. In my spare time, I spend almost all of it at home with my two young boys and my wife. That's something that's been very important to me as my practice has grown and progressed, and I've handled increasingly more serious cases. And I've seen how these cases rip lives apart and rip families apart. And as I look at my boys, I know that every one of my clients is somebody's little boy or little girl, and that's how I strive to treat them in my practice. I grew up in a small town in South Alabama. I came to Raleigh for law school at Campbell University, and since that time I've really fallen in love with the people of Eastern North Carolina. They're salt-of-the-earth people, and they really remind me of my roots in South Alabama. And I look forward to continuing to advocate on behalf of the rights of the people of Eastern North Carolina.